morning students. Already discuss about the topic is sets. Already first concept representation of the sets is the completed first part, roster form and circular form. Second one is concept is types of sets, already completed types of sets and basic operation on the sets. Okay, union set and intersection set is completed. Next continue the topic disjoint sets, basic operations on the sets. First one is union set, second one is intersection set, next one is disjoint sets. What is the disjoint sets? Two sets A and B are said to be disjoint if they have no common elements. If they have no common elements. Okay, that is A intersection B is equal to pi. Pi means is a null set. Okay, for example, set A is equal to set of 1, 2, 3 and set B is equal to 4, 5, 6. Then A intersection B. Okay, here set A 1, 2, 3, given that set A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and set B is equal to 4, 5, 6. Okay, what is A intersection B? Find out. 1, 2, 3 intersection. What is set B? 4, 5, 6. Okay, there are no common element here. Okay, no common element is there, pi. Okay, it is a disjoint set. It is a disjoint set. Okay, by using representation of the Venn diagram. Okay, for suppose Venn diagram is drawn, set A and set B. Already is given set A 1, 2, 3 and set B is 4, 5, 6. There is no common element. That is the representation of the Venn diagram. A intersection B is equal to pi. Okay, next one is difference of sets. Next one is difference of sets. Okay, difference of sets is nothing but the difference of sets A and B is the set of elements which belong to A, only belong to A, but do not belong to B. But do not belong to B. We denote the difference of set A and B by A minus B. A minus B. Okay, what is the set builder form of difference of set A and B? A minus B is equal to X is such that X belongs to A and X does not belongs to B, only belong to A. Okay, what is the B minus A set builder form? X is such that X does not belongs to A and X belongs to B. What is the Venn diagram? Venn diagram representation of the A minus B. A minus B, difference of the sets. Okay, for suppose A set, B set is given. It is a universal set represented with rectangle. Okay, only belong to, which consistent set is belongs to A, do not belongs to B. Okay, difference of sets, for example, if A is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B is equal to 4, 5, 6, 7, then find A minus B with the help of Venn diagram. How can you find out it? Okay, solution. First given that what is given as set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and set B is equal to 4, 5, 6, 7. Then find the A minus B, difference of the sets. Okay, first A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, subtract. Okay, which belongs to, what is the difference of the sets? Which belongs to A but do not belongs to B. Okay, that's why which belongs to here in the set B 4 and 5. Here also 4 and 5. We can write only set A. We can write only belongs to A. Here 4 and 5, here 4 and 5 cancel. Remaining elements are 1, 2, 3. That's why A minus B is equal to 1, 2, 3. We can write A minus B. We have to find out. Okay, then find the, with the help of Venn diagram, draw the Venn diagram. Okay, it is a universal set. Here set A and set B. Okay, here only common elements here 4 and 5 we can write it, only common elements, and 1 2 3 set 1 2 3 and 6 7 set B. Set A 1 2 3 4 5, set B 4 5 6 7. Okay, only shaded region of the set only A do not belongs to B with the help of the Venn diagram. Okay. Okay, another example, difference of the sets. Okay, if set A is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 and set B is equal to 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7, then find A minus B and B minus A. Then find first of all A minus B and B minus A. Are they equal? Equal or not? A minus B and B minus A. Okay, find out. Solution. First of all, given data. What is the given sets? A, B. Given that A is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 and B is equal to 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7. Two sets are given. Okay, then find first of all A minus B. A minus B. A set is right 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 minus set B 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7. Okay, then find out only which belongs to A but do not belongs to B. So here what is the common elements? Okay, common elements 4 and 5 cancel. First of all we have to cancel. Okay, then what is the set A remaining elements? 1 comma 2 comma 3. Write it 1 comma 2 comma 3, but do not write set B, only set which belongs to A, that is A minus B. Then find out next one B minus A. Then find out B minus A, that is equal to, write it set B 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 and minus set A. What is the set A? 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Write it 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Okay, here also 4 and 5 are common elements which is cancel 4 5. What is set B? We have to okay, which belongs to B minus A is nothing but difference of the sets which belongs to B but do not belongs to A. Write it only set B remaining elements 6 and 7. We can write it B minus A is equal to 6 comma 7. Okay, what is A minus B here? 1 comma 2 comma 3. What is B minus A here? 6 comma 7. Okay, what is the question here? Are they equal? Are equal? Not equal. Therefore concludes A minus B not equals to B minus A. A minus B not equals to B minus A. Okay, students, sets concept is three concepts. First concept is representation of the sets. Okay, roster form and set builder form. Second concept is types of sets. Third concept is basic operations on sets. Is completed three concepts, very important. Already discuss about that three topics. Okay, let discuss the examples, problems, concept wise problems. For suppose here, if A is equal to set of 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 and B is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 5 comma 6 here, then find A union B and B, then find find A intersection B and B intersection A. Are they equal? Are they equal? Question is okay, understood all of you? Okay, solution. Given that A is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 and B is equals to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 5 comma 6. Okay, set A is given, set B is given. What is we have to find out, nana? A intersection B. First of all, A intersection B we have to find out 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4, and the set B intersection set B 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 5 comma 6. Okay, what is the intersection? What is the intersection of the sets? Okay, there are only common elements. In two sets are said to be intersection of the sets, only common elements. Okay, observe two sets, common elements here. Observe here 1 2 3 in the set A, and set B also 1 2 3 in the common elements. Write it only common elements. A intersection B is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3. 1 comma 2 comma 3, only common elements. And the next, B intersection A is equals to what is the B set? 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 5 comma 6. Intersection A 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Same here, B set is 1 2 3. Set A is equal to 1 2 3 common elements. Intersection means that is equals to B intersection A is equals to 1 comma 2 comma 3, only common elements. Here observe here, A intersection B is equal to, then find out the 1 2 3. B intersection A is equal to 1 2 3. Okay, both are equal. Are they equal? Both are equal. Therefore, conclusion: A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. B intersection A. Okay, another example. If A is equal to X is such that X is a natural number, and B is equal to X is such that X is an even natural number, and C is equal to X is such that X is an odd natural numbers, and D is equal to X is such that X is a prime number. Then find A intersection B, A intersection C, A intersection D, B intersection C, B intersection D, C intersection D. The very important problem. Okay, already is given. What is given on the first set? X such that X is a natural number. It is a set Builder form. It is a set Builder form. Write it roster form. First of all, write it roster form. A is equal to X such that X is a natural number. Natural number. Given only is the set Builder form. Write it roster form. 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 and so on. Set A. What is set B is given. X is such that X is an even natural number. Even natural number. Even natural numbers. Write it even natural numbers. Write it in roster form. 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8 and so on. Set C is equals to X is such that what is given? X is such that X is an odd natural numbers. Odd natural numbers. Odd natural numbers. That is equals to, write it roster form. Odd numbers is 1 comma 3 comma 5 comma 7 comma and so on. And D is equals to X is such that X is a prime number. X is a prime number. It is a set Builder form. Write it roster form. D is equals to 2 comma 3 comma 5 comma 7 and so on. Okay, then find first of all what is the find A intersection B. A intersection B. Set A. What is A? 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma and so on. Intersection. What is set B? 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8 and so on. Okay, what is the common element numbers? It is natural numbers, it is even natural numbers. Only common elements is even natural numbers. Intersection means set A and B, only common elements. Only even natural numbers are common. Write it. That is equals to 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. Okay, even natural numbers set of B, that is equal to we write B. A intersection B is equals to B. Next one, then find out A intersection C. A intersection C, that is equals to what is set A? 1, 2, 3. Only natural numbers in roster form. Okay, intersection. What is C? X is an odd natural numbers. Odd natural numbers 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. Okay, natural numbers here odd natural numbers. Only common odd natural numbers. Natural numbers 1, 2, 3 and so on like that. Here odd natural numbers 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on like that. Only odd natural numbers common. A intersection C is equals to 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. Okay, odd natural numbers set C, which is given set C, that is equal to A intersection C is equals to C. Okay, next then find out A intersection D. A intersection D. A natural numbers 1, 2, 3 and so on. D only prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7 and so on. Natural numbers 1, 2, 3 and so on. Here prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay, common elements only natural numbers and prime numbers. Only prime numbers are common elements. Write it. A intersection D is equals to 2, 3, 5, 7 and so on. Okay, prime numbers set is given D. D represent given D, that is equal to A intersection given A intersection D is equal to D. A intersection D is equal to D. A intersection C is equal to C. A intersection B is equal to B. Okay, next find out B intersection C. Next find out B intersection C. Next find out B intersection C. What is B set in the roster form? Even natural numbers. Write it. Even natural 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. Intersection. What is C? Okay, what is C? Odd natural numbers 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. Intersection means only common elements, but here no common. Why? Because here even natural numbers, here odd natural numbers. Okay, there is no common elements. That is B intersection C is equal to pi, null set. It is empty set or null set or void set. It is denoted by pi. That's why pi. We can write it pi. Next to find out B intersection D. B intersection D. What is B set? Even natural numbers. Write it 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. Intersection D. Prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay, here what is okay, common elements, even natural numbers and prime numbers. Only 2 is the common elements. Write it. B intersection D is equals to only 2. Only 2. Next, then find out last one is C intersection D. C intersection D is equals to what is C? X is an odd natural numbers. Odd natural numbers 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. Intersection 2, 3, 5, 7 and so on. C intersection D. Okay, here then find out what is the here common elements 3, 5, 7 and so on like that. Okay, only common elements C intersection D is equals to 3, 5, 7 and so on like that. and so on like that. Next example, for example, if set A is equal to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, set B is equal to 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, set C is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, set D is equal to 5, 10, 15, 20. Then find A minus B, and second one A minus C, third one A minus D, fourth one B minus A, and fifth one C minus A. Okay, then find out difference of sets. Already we know that difference of sets. What is difference of sets? Two sets are said to be difference of the sets. Okay, which consist of belong to A but do not belong to B. Okay, right. Find out solution. What is given? First given that what is given, set A is equals to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. What is set B is given 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Next, what is C set is given 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. What is D set is given 5, 10, 15, 20. First we have to find out A minus B. Then find out A minus B, that is equals to A minus B. A, what is the set A? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Then find out A minus B here. B set is here 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Okay. A minus B, which belongs to A but do not belongs to B. Okay, here common elements is 12 here. Cancel first of all. 12. Okay, remaining no common elements. Write in only set A. That is equals to A minus B is equals to 3, 6, 9, 15, 18, 20. That is the A minus B. Second one is A minus C. First one is A minus B. Second one is A minus C. Find out A minus C. A set A 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, and set C 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 is given. Okay, A minus C. Okay, here common element is 12. Okay, remaining is no. Already here common element is again 6, 12 and 6 and 12, only common elements. A minus C, okay, which belongs to A but do not belongs to C. So A minus C, then find out, write it only common elements, cancel that remaining elements, write it. That is equal to A minus C is equals to 3, 9, 15, 18, 21. That is the A minus C. Next, third one. What is third one is given, Nana? What is third one? Third one A minus D. Third one A minus D. Okay, what is set A? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 minus D. What is the D set is given? 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay, here A minus D. Okay, what is the difference of the sets A minus D, which belongs to A but do not belongs to D? So first of all, common elements we have to cancel here. 15, 15 cancelled. Okay, remaining which belongs to A but do not belongs to B. Don't write B set. Don't write D set. Write it remaining elements only set A. That is equal to A minus D is equals to remaining elements 3, 6, 9, 12, 18, 21. Third one. Next fourth one. What is fourth one? B minus A. B minus A. What is B set is given? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 minus A. What is A set? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Okay, B minus A, which belongs to B but do not belongs to A. Okay, write it. Which are common elements in both sets? Okay, both sets the common elements is 12 here. Only 12. Okay, write it only B set and remaining elements. What is remaining elements here? 4, 8, 16, 20. Write it. Don't write a set A. That is equals to 4, 8, 16, 20. That is equal to B minus A. Next one is fifth one. What is fifth one? C minus A. What is set? C is given 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 minus C minus A. What is A set? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Here only 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Okay, which elements are common first of all? Which elements in common? 12 is common. Only 12 common. Okay, C minus 12 is common and also 6 is common. Cancelled. Why? Because only common elements is not there. Here difference of the set is nothing but only which belongs to set A but does not belongs to set B. That's why we can write it C minus A. Difference of the sets C minus A which belongs to C do not belongs to A. Okay, write it only. Okay, common elements. Okay, nana cancelled remaining elements is write it C minus A. That is equals to remaining elements are 2, 4, 8, 10, 14, 16. C minus A. Okay. First one A minus B. A minus B. Find out what is the solution on A minus 3, 6, 9, 15, 18, 21. Next one A minus C. What is the solution on 3, 9, 15, 18, 21. Third one is A minus D. What is the solution on 3, 6, 9, 12, 18, 21. Okay, fourth one B minus A. What is the solution on 4, 8, 16, 20. Next fifth one C minus A. What is the solution on 2, 4, 8, 10, 14, 16. Okay.